Now we will see fundamental data types in Python. In Python we have 5 different fundamental data types. Those are int, float, string, bool, and complex. These are the 5 fundamental data types in Python. Data type specifies the type and size of the variable. So we'll see how to declare each one of the fundamental data type. So now we can declare integer type variable. So we'll see how to declare an integer type variable. For that, you take the name of the variable and assign the value to it. So a is a type of variable. We'll see what type of a value that a contains. So we are giving 10 to a. So it is a integer integer value. So we'll see how come we know that it is a data type, it is an integer data type. You can print with the print function. So print, so a variable is of type in Python we are having type function, so we are calling that type function. So we are passing argument here. The argument is variable. So this type function will tell what kind of a variable a is. So it will print class int. So clear my screen, run this code. So we'll get a variable is type class int. Okay, so you can print this a value by print a. You will have 10 will be printed on the output screen. If you need another formatting like this, so a value is it will show a value is 10, so that it's a better formatting, so that you can able to understand what a value is. So you can declare a float variable with point, so 10.5, but there is no double data type. Double data type numbers also declared with float only. So how you can print the type of b? Simple, type of b, it will give you the type of b variable is, so it will print a class float. So now we'll simply print a, simply print b, that means 10.5 will be printed to the output screen. So I repeat, type function is a function which returns the type of the variable. So if a variable belongs to int, it will returns class int. If a variable belongs to float, it will represent, it will print class float. If a variable belongs to bool, it will print class bool. Like that it follows. So we'll see what is a string data type. So there is no char data type in C. There is no char data type in Python. I'm sorry for that. So only in even though string character also will be represented in string only. So a is I can say C is equal to, I can say a, it is a single character, but here so if you print type C, it will print string only, because character data type is not there in Python. Even though if you enter character, by default it is treated as string only. So if you print type of C, it will print class str. So I will declare one more variable called d is equal to hyphen by the way, string is a sequence of characters which are enclosed in single or double quotes, or even sometimes triple quote as well. For triple quote, we will mention for multi-line strings, for single and double quote for single line strings. So single quote or double quote, triple quote, three will work the same way. So we'll see with single quotes. I can say d is equal to Python, and I will print type of C. I will print type of C. So it will print the data type of d, and it will be class str, and I will print the value of d simply. so it will print Python to the output screen. So as I said earlier, string is a sequence of characters which are enclosed in double quotes and triple quote as well. So we will see how to declare with those notations. So E is equal to double quotations, and Python is very C long ways. So I have declared one string literal called Python is very long ways, which is enclosed in double quotations marks. So you can print type of E now. So it will also print a class str to the output screen, and you can print E directly, so that that particular message will be printed to the output screen. So you can use triple quotations, triple double quotes, or triple single quotes. Any of this will equally work. So I can say Python is easy to learn. So I will just print a type of f, and I will just print a f value. So the same behavior is expected from 16 to 21. I mean line number 16 to 21. So on the line number 17 you will have class str, on the line number 18 you will have Python is very easy language. On the line number 5 we have assigned Python is easy to learn within the triple double quotes, but you can use triple single quote as well. So on the 20th line we are printing type of f, that means type function will return the data type of f variable, and 21st line we are printing f string f. So let us see what is the behavior now. So let me clear my screen and then right click and run the code. So same behavior is expected. Our expected output is showing here. So this is how you can declare string, float, and integer variables. Now we will see Bool data type. So Bool data type in Python. So the allowed values are true and false. And one more important point is here T should be capital and F should be capital. So if you mistakenly given a small true, it won't take, Python will give you error. Okay, so let me take an example for Boolean data type. So I will take G is equal to true, print type of G. It will print a class Bool as output, and you can print G. It will print true to the screen, and I will take f is equal to h is equal to false, and I can say print type of f is equal to, it will also print class Bool, and it will print f value now. So just a second, I am mistakenly given f here. Now it should be h, right? So just replace h here on the 27th and 28th lines. Now rerun the code once again. So what is the output now? So G is equal to true, that means class Boolean will be printed on the 24th line, and 25th line we are printing the G value, that is true itself, and the 26th line we are assigning false to h, and the 27th line we are printing type of h, that is class Bool. On the 28th line we are printing variable h, that is false. So these are the expected output. Let me see if these are correct or not. So clear my screen and run this code. So class Bool false, everything is as expected. Now we will see Python specific data type called complex. So let me see this one. So I can say I is equal to, it will be in the form of, so I will declare a comment here, it will be in the form of a plus bj form. So let me declare in that fashion only. So 10 plus 20j. So here a is called, that means the first value is called real part, and the second value is called imaginary part. So a is called real part. So if you, so I will comment it. A is called real part, and B is called imaginary part. So this is how they mentioned in complex numbers. So you can print type of I. So what is the variable, what is the data type of variable I? So it will print, class complex. So I will just print the value directly. So print I. So it will print 10 plus 20z to the output screen. So this is how you declare complex numbers, and this is how you declare boolean and string and integer and float values to the, to the, in the Python. So let me run this code once again, so that we will see the type of I and I value. So run this code. It is class complex, and 20 plus 10 plus 20 is printed on the output screen. So by this we have completed the fundamental data types, that is int, float, string, boolean and complex. So in the further lectures we will see complex related, what I mean to say is collection related data types in upcoming lectures. Thanks guys. I will see you in the next